break out the Febreze, and breathe happy.
And now, back to the show on Disney XD.
You may have defeated my Scorpion bot, but I've got one more trick up my sleeve.
For the first time ever on Disney XD, everyone get ready for the 2015 Nintendo World Championships. Watch them battle each other and take on games like Splatoon, The Legend of Zelda, Blast Ball, Mario Kart, Super Smash Bros., and Super Mario Maker. These players are bringing their game faces hard, but it's their thumbs they'll have to beat.
Nintendo World Championship!
Nintendo World Championships 2015 premieres Wednesday night at 8 on Disney XD. This is a general audience program.